Pick a white paper and sign on. You may need to try a few times to get the best signature. Take a photo with your phone or scan it if possible, as a scanned image will give the best result. Next, head over to photopea.com and open the image you've taken. If you notice that the signature isn't angled properly, go to Edit, View Transform, and rotate it until you get the right angle. Next, pick the Marquee tool and draw a square around the signature while holding Shift. Now, select the crop tool and click directly on the check mark above. Head over to the channels panel and select the channel that has the highest contrast between the signature and the paper, which is usually the blue one. Make a copy of it by dragging it to the new icon below. This will create a new channel called Alpha 1. With this channel selected, go to Image, Adjustments, Levels, and drag both the right and left sliders inwards to increase the contrast until only the signature is shown on a white background. Click OK. Hold the Ctrl or Command key and click on the thumbnail of the Alpha 1 channel. This will select the white areas. Now, go to Select, Invert Selection, and click back on the RGB channel to go back to the normal view. Head back to the Layers panel and create a color fill adjustment layer with whatever color you want. Now just hide the background layer and you should have a digital signature on a transparent background. Save it as a PNG image by going to File, Export, PNG. If you want to put your signature on a photo or artwork as a watermark, go to File and open it. Then File, Open and Place, then pick the signature PNG image from where you saved it. And if you want to change the color, apply a color overlay and pick whatever color you want. For watermarks, it's a good idea to lower the opacity a bit so it's not too intrusive. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you would like to learn something else, just click the video on screen. See you in the next one.